Are you a left-handed drummer trying to figure out how to set up your kit? In this video, I'll guide you through the options, tips and strategies to create the perfect setup for your playing style. But bear in mind that the last video ideas still apply here. Stick around, this might just transform how you approach drumming. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's begin. Today we're answering a question that's super important for all left-handed players. Do you need to set your drums up differently if you're left-handed? Whether you're just starting out or you've been struggling with your setup, I'll show you how to experiment, find the best configuration and create a kit that feels natural for you. But bear in mind that everything drumming is individual and therefore experimental depending on your personal preferences and unique choices. I remember watching Phil Collins videos many years ago and loved his playing in the band, Brand X, but when I saw how he positioned his kit I was blown away. How does he do that? I asked myself. It just looked so foreign to me, a left-handed drummer with toms as high as they could be and the snare much lower than I would find comfortable. And his seating position was, well, very high. The same could be said of Ringo Starr and others. But as I said, everything is dependent on your personal preferences, and anything I or anyone else suggests is just a starting point for your own innovations. As a left-handed drummer, which I am not, you have a few options when it comes to setting up your kit. Let's go through them step by step. The most common approach is to flip the kit entirely. This means setting it up as the mirror opposite of a standard right-handed setup. Your snare and hi-hat will go on the right-hand side, and your floor tom and ride cymbal will move to the left. From small to large, the tom-toms move from right to left, as opposed to left to right with a conventional kit. For many left-handed drummers, this feels the most natural and allows them to play with ease. However, some left-handed drummers choose to stick with a standard right-handed setup. They play open-handed, meaning they use their left hand for the hi-hat on the left side and their right hand for the snare, without crossing their arms. This allows them to keep the bass drum pedal under their right foot, which many lefties find more intuitive. In this configuration, they might also place the ride cymbal on the left side where a crash cymbal would typically go, making it easier to access with their dominant left hand. Now, what if neither of these setups feels quite right? You can create a hybrid kit. For example, you might keep the pedals set up like a right-handed kit, but flip the upper half of the drums to a left-handed configuration. This way, your snare, toms and cymbals are arranged for your left-handed playing, while the pedals remain as they would for a right-handed player. This hybrid approach can give you the best of both worlds, but it may take some experimentation to get it just right for you. The key here is experimentation. Start by setting up the kit in a traditional right-handed way and play the basic beats and fills. If that feels awkward, flip the kit to a left-handed setup and try again. You'll quickly discover what feels most natural to you. Once you've learned a few basic rhythms and fills, you can start fine-tuning your setup further. We are all individuals. I know some people, my father in particular, who was right-handed, but he played golf as a left-handed person would. He played snooker and pool right-handed. What that is about is anyone's guess. Just be an individual and experiment to find what works best for you. It's also worth noting that some players are more ambidextrous than they realise. For example, even if you're left-handed, you might prefer playing the bass drum with your right foot. Don't feel boxed into a single setup. The most important thing is comfort and efficiency. Your kit should work for you, not the other way around. And remember, your setup doesn't have to follow strict rules. It's your kit, your style, and your comfort that matter. The experimentation process might take some time and development, but it's worth it to discover what works best for you, which is ultimately what matters most. So, whether you're playing open-handed, flipping the kit completely, or creating a hybrid setup, the key is to experiment and find what feels right. Every drummer is different and your kit should reflect your personal playing style. You should check out Rick Allen from Def Leppard. He lost an arm in 1984 and created a kit he could play with one hand. In short, you should do what you need to do to play smoothly and efficiently. In the next video, we'll tackle another big question. Can I teach myself to play the drums, or do I need a professional drum teacher? If you have ever wondered about the best way to learn, this is a video you don't want to miss. Click the video to watch that next.